Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make easy cheese danishes. Okay, let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 large egg plus 1 egg yolk, 8 ounces of cream cheese softened to room temperature, 3 tablespoons of sugar plus more for dusting, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 package of the puff pastry. I just have this 13.2 ounce and it is thawed. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 400 and then line 2 big cookie sheets with parchment paper and set those to the side. All right, beat 1 egg with a teaspoon of water for an egg wash. I'm just going to use that with a fork right here in this measuring cup. Okay, that looks great. So next, in a large bowl, I have my egg yolk, 3 tablespoons of sugar, vanilla extract, and our 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, and we're going to just beat that with an electric mixer until it is all incorporated. That looks great. I just mixed that for about 1.5 minutes on medium-high speed. So next we are going to go ahead and open up our pastries and cut each of them into 4 pieces. All right, I just rolled out my pastry and I just cut it into 8 sheets. So I just cut it once down the middle and then on both sides and then just 1 time across. I have my puff pastries laid out here and all I did was cut them, like I said, into the 8 pieces, and then each piece you just kind of fold over to make kind of into an octagon shape. So you just want to do that with all 8. All right, I added about 2 tablespoons of the filling into the middle of each one. You don't want to spread that out until you just use up all of it. And then use your egg wash and brush all of the parts that are visible still. And then you just take a little bit of sugar and dust the tops of each one, however much you want. It doesn't matter. I just sprinkled it all over each one of them. So now we're going to go ahead and get these into the oven at 400 degrees for about 18 minutes or until they are golden brown. All of my cheese danishes are out of the oven. I'm just letting them cool on this cooling rack. Be sure that you are watching them because mine, after 14 minutes, some of them actually did burn on the bottom. So just keep an eye on them. You definitely don't want them to be burnt. But I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. They smell amazing. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Damn, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.